All right there, boys and girls, we are on day 6 of our December daily math. And we're going to write less than, greater than, or equal to for number 1. So on this side, we have 608. On this side, we have 600 plus 80. Well, let's figure out what that is. 0 and 0 is 0. 8 and 0 is 8. And nothing and 6 is 6. So on this side, we have 608. This side, we have 680. So as we read this left to right, 608 is less than 680. Name one thing in your classroom that is shaped like a circle. I'm wondering if you could see those round chairs. That's like a circle, right? Or the clock. So let's just put clock, because I know we have one of those in our classrooms. Clock. Okay? Good job. And here we go, number 3. Write the number. So I see 100 and I see a 200. I don't see any tens. But I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So there's 207. Number 4. Sarah put 15 gumdrops on the roof of her gingerbread house. How many gumdrops will she need to make 2 more houses exactly like this one? So here's one house. Here's a house. So there's 2 more houses. She needs 15 in this one. And she needs 15 in that one, right? So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So how many gumdrops? 30 gumdrops. Goody goody gumdrops. All right, last one says write this number in expanded form, 932. So let's say it again. 900 32. There we go. 932. All right. Great job, boys and girls, and we will see you tomorrow for day 7.